time to board the airplane over here. It's cold. After 6 hours, the wait is over, so we're gonna board. Subscribe, give us a like. So we're gonna be boarding over here in a second. You can see a few people, not too many. Yeah, we'll be in Minneapolis in about 2 hours here. So we're gonna board here, the airplane. I'm at 6F over here. So I'm gonna sit. So 6F, kind of in front over here. Nice seat by the window. Actually, I sat at the same seat, different airplane earlier today from Florida, Fort Lauderdale to Detroit. 6 hour wait is over. We're gonna be taking off here shortly, probably in an hour. You can see that's the airplane back there. It's a long airplane. That's me. Subscribe. This is Detroit. We're gonna be leaving Flying Spirit, similar to that one over there. It's Airbus, I think A360 or A320, something like that. Subscribe, leave a comment, give a like. We'll see you on the next video when we are taking off. Peace out.